Hello aspirants, you are watching CSS to the point. Today we will go through most recent current affairs for preparation of one paper tests. 1. Vostok 2022 military exercises conducted by Russia. 2. National Accountability Second Amendment Act 2022. Under the new amendments, NAB will have no jurisdiction to proceed in corruption cases involving less than 500 million rupees. The bill also strips the president of his authority to appoint judges of accountability courts in consultation with High Court Chief Justices. Team Bibi, My Story is the memoir of Netanyahu. 4. 2022 UNESCO Peace Prize goes to Angela Merkel. 5. Gibraltar after 180 years officially recognized as British city. 6. Portugal is the fastest aging country in EU. 7. ULCHI Freedom Shield, the US and South Korea's joint military exercises. 8. Russia unveiled new space station model. Russia wants to build its own space station as early as 2028 while construction expected to begin in 2026. 9. Clade is the name given to monkeypox viruses by World Health Organization. Thus, Taliban celebrated Day of Victory first anniversary of taking control of Afghanistan on the 15th of August. 11. Ayman al-Zawahiri, an eye surgeon from Egypt who has been killed by a US drone strike in Afghanistan, was often referred to as the chief ideology of Al-Qaeda. 12. The Balochistan forest fire engulfed millions of trees and the hopes of generations to come. It started on May 9 in KPKS Dera Ismail Khan where it was small and less intense. But due of high wind velocity, the blaze escalated and by May 12, it had entered the jurisdiction of Balochistan. 13. Army has been deployed in all flood-affected districts under Article 245. 14. On the 25th of August, Pakistan declared flood as national emergency. 15. In Mirpur, dry port complex is inaugurated. 16. Syed Mehdi Shah, the current governor of Gilgit-Baltistan. 17. Punjabi is the second most spoken language in Canada. 18. Nayara Noor aka Bulbul Pakistan died on the 20th of August 2022. 19. Punjab province will provide free education till graduation. 20. General Qamar Bajwa is the first army chief of Pakistan to be chief guest at passing out parade at Royal Military Academy, UK. 21. What is the theme of International Day of Peace 2022? Let's see the options. A. Know how ultimate peace can be obtained. B. End racism. Build peace. C. Recovering better for an equitable and sustainable world. D. None of these. The right answer is end racism and build peace. 22. Which country will host 2023 Men's FIH Hockey World Cup? Options are A. Iran. B. Pakistan. C. India. D. China. The right answer is India. 23. Which country to host Asia Pacific ICT Alliance Awards in 2022? Let's see options. A. China. B. UAE. C. Pakistan. D. Singapore. The right answer is Pakistan. 24. How many member countries are there in the Shanghai Cooperation Organization? Options are A. 7 members. B. 8 members. C. 9 members. D. None of these. The right answer is 9 members. 25. Who is the current Prime Minister of Australia? Options are A. Scott Morrison. B. Anthony Albanese. C. Tony Abbott. D. Kevin Rudd. The right answer is Anthony Albanese. 26. International Day of Democracy is celebrated every year on. Let's check the options. A. 15 September. B. 15 October. C. 15 November. D. 15 December. Right answer is option A, the 15th of September. 27. What is the theme of the International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies celebrated? A. Leaving no one behind. B. Clean air for clean earth. C. The air we share. D. Clean air for all. Right answer is air we share. 28. At the time of her death, Queen Elizabeth II was also Queen of Commonwealth realms. A. 10. B. 12. C. 17. D. 15. The right answer is 15. 29. COP27 is going to be held from 6 to the 18th of November 2022 in Co. Options are A. Paris, France. B. Valletta, Malta. C. Delhi, India. D. Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt. Correct option is D. Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt. Last as Who is the current Prime Minister of UK? Let's check the options. A. Michael Gove. B. Boris Johnson. C. Liz Truss. D. None of them. Correct option is Liz Truss. That's all for today. Subscribe our channel to stay tuned. Take care.